Jason Rossi is a great candidate for this award, an award that acknowledges somebody who goes out of their way to go above and beyond the call of duty to help people solve their problems.
And when you stand back and think about it, access control is something that affects all 8,000 people that are involved with the USF. And he's one of the key people that is instrumental in determining the policy for that user group access point, and so I think it's very important that people recognize him for the successes that he's contributed towards.
Previously at this university, and I think at a lot of sites, our intrusion was in one division, our access control was in another, the business operation was in another division, and then there were police out in yet another division trying to set policy for all of that. What we've done is bring all those functions underneath one roof, and as we do that, instead of having all these stovepipe systems out there, which creates a lot more overhead for administration, as we integrate those into one product, we get that operational and fiscal efficiencies.
The one-card system nowadays is integral to higher education campuses. And the one-card system is a complex system because it deals with meal plans and money and those sorts of transactions, as well as security.
We have micros, we have web food, we use CS Access, CS Alarms, we got vending, other point of sales like turbos, laundry, and of course a ton of card access.
Card access and facilities management responsibilities are very closely intertwined. Oftentimes at various access points, both are required. One can't forge ahead without letting the other one know what's planned and what the objective is.
What we've found is that once we get all of the point of sale and business functions in, we don't really grow much in that area. Where we're always expanding is in access control. And when it comes to access control, we have our hardwired readers when we need to interface with other devices such as handicap buttons and other things that come along with exterior doors. Then we also have our wireless readers, which work great for those hard to reach locations in old buildings such as the ones at USF. Then we have our offline lock solution. And what we found was once we got all of our online doors covered, that left us with literally thousands of interior doors that do not need the online capability of an online reader, but still needed access control on them. And that's where we went with the Schlage CL, which is interfaced with the CBORD CS access system.
We are an open campus. We're not fenced off from our community. By the same token, we are a very safe campus for being in a large urban setting.
Technology is a big part of public safety here on campus. The way that one card in particular and Jason's position plays into public safety here on campus is they go hand in hand. He is constantly looking at new technology, but realistically he's looking at how that fits what we have here at the university.
I have found that he is looking for better technological solutions and not afraid to put them on the table and discuss them and, if appropriate, move them forward.
He researches his information, he does it thoroughly, he tries to look at the big picture, he looks at a number of different alternatives, comes up with a number of different plans, and then tries to make that fit the need of the community.